The Human Genome Project was a large international scientific effort to map and understand all the DNA that makes up human genes. It aimed to identify, map, and sequence all the genes in the human genome, both in terms of their physical location and function. The project officially started in 1990 and was mostly completed by 2003, making it the largest collaborative biological project ever. Planning began after the US government adopted the idea in 1984, and by April 14, 2003, about 92% of the human genome had been mapped. In May 2021, scientists reached the complete genome level, with only 0.3% of the bases having possible issues. And the final gap free version was finished in January 2022. Map and sequence all nucleotides in human haploid reference genome, which contains over 3 billion base pairs. Identify and locate all human genes estimated to be around 20,000 to 25,000. The project involved sequencing samples collected from a small number of individuals and assembling these sequence fragments to obtain a complete sequence for each of 23 human chromosome pairs. Establish databases to store and manage these genetic informations for easy access and use by researchers worldwide. Advance new methods and technologies for analyzing and interpreting the vast amount of genetic data generated. Explore and address the potential ethical implications of genetic research, including privacy concerns, genetic discriminations, and informed consent. Emphasizing that much of the human genome is same across all humans, which is vital for understanding human genetics and health. 1984. The Idea for Human Genome Project is initiated in the United States. May 1985. A workshop at University of California, Santa Cruz to discuss creating a reference genome using gene sequencing technologies. 1986. Charles Delacy outlines a plan for the project. 1988. The first line item for the Human Genome Project is included in the President Reagan's budget proposal. 1990. The Human Genome Project officially begins with the Department of Energy and National Institute of Health as primary funding agencies. 2000. A working draft of the genome is announced, showcasing the collaborative effort of international geneticists. April 2003. The project announces the completion of essential complete genome sequence, 2 years ahead of schedule. Key findings of the draft of Human Genome Project in 2001 and complete of 2004 genome sequences include: there are approximately 22,300 protein coding genes in human beings, the same range as in other mammals. The human genome has significantly more segmental duplications, nearly identical repeated sections of DNA, than had been previously suspected. At the time when the draft sequence was published, fewer than 7% of protein families appeared to be vertebrate specific. Funding of the Human Genome Project was a significant factor in its success, primarily sourced from US government. Initiated in 1980s, the project received early financial backing from the Department of Energy and National Institute of Health. By 1988, the US Congress approved the first line item for the Human Genome Project in the President Reagan's budget, with a combined commitment from both Department of Energy and NIH. Ultimately, the project was expected to cost around $3 billion, but was completed for approximately $2.7 billion, reflecting effective resource management. Additionally, the funding was supplemented by international contributions such as United Kingdom, France, Australia, and China, which expanded the project's scope and fostered global collaboration in genomic research. There were fears that genetic knowledge could lead to discrimination by employers and health insurance companies. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act was enacted in 1996 to protect against unauthorized release of health information. Established in 1990 to address ethical, legal, and social issues, allocating 5% of annual budget for this purpose. ELSI funding rose from approximately $1.57 billion in 1990 to around $18 billion by 2014. Concerns that mapping the genome could reshape patient expectations and perceptions of illness among doctors. Human Genome Project successfully sequenced approximately 3.1 billion base pairs of the human genome. The first printout of the human genome was showcased as a series of books at the Wellcome Collection in London. Recognized as a mega project, the Human Genome Project began in 1990 with the goal of mapping the entire human genetic information set. The genome was divided into smaller segments, approximately 150,000 base pairs long, which were inserted into bacterial artificial chromosomes. Funding supported large sequencing centers including the Whitehead Institute, Wellcome Sanger Institute, Washington University in St. Louis, and Baylor College of Medicine, facilitating high throughput sequencing efforts. The United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization played a crucial role in promoting the participation of developing countries in Human Genome Project. With the completion of human genome sequence, researchers focused on identifying genetic variants linked to the common diseases like cancer and diabetes. Detailed knowledge of human genome is expected to derive innovations in medicines and biotechnology. Companies started offering genetic tests to assess predisposition to various illnesses, including breast cancer and cystic fibrosis. The genome information is anticipated to enhance the understanding of diseases, potentially leading to better management strategies and treatments. Biologists can utilize the human genome database to gather comprehensive information on specific genes, including their functions, structures, evolutionary relationships, and associated diseases, facilitating targeted research. The project has influenced genomic research in agriculture, leading to healthier and more disease resistant crops.